Yeah, I think Unit 5, that screen is visible to you, PDF file. Okay, so today we will start Unit 5. So Unit 5 deals with three major topics. One is computer arithmetic. Then the computer arithmetic, we'll be seeing how to write algorithm for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and how to implement it by hardware. So Unit 5, first part, computer arithmetic. There we will be writing algorithm for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and hardware implementation. And we have seen already addition, subtraction, how to do microprogram with the hardware using a 4-bit adder and subtraction also. Okay. Then in later part of Unit 5, we'll be discussing about micro-programmed control. In the previous unit, Unit 4, we discussed about hardwired control or hardware control. That means from instruction register, how the control flows, how to decide what type of instruction, and what is the operand. So everything is done by hardware or hardwired control. So in the Unit 4, we discussed about hardware control, and Unit 5 we will be discussing about microprogram control. Basically, there are two types of control: hardwired control and microprogram control. Unit 4 already over hardware. Okay. Then finally, in Unit 5, we will be discussing about pipelining. Just yesterday, we had a small basics about the pipelining. What is pipelining? So your microprocessor, whenever it is executing the one instruction, your address and data bus goes, fetches the next instruction, keeps ready. So parallelly, two things are happening. One is execution is happening and fetching the next instruction opcode is happening. So that we call it as pipelining. We will discuss in detail in Unit 5. What is the basic concept of pipelining? What are the hazards in it? Okay. So Unit 5 deals with computer arithmetic in the first half, then microprogram control, then pipeline. Okay. So first we will discuss about computer arithmetic. So coming to computer arithmetic, we will be discussing about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So first, so whenever I want to do any arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, first I should decide what type of data it is. With what type of data I can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. So there are mainly we can use 4 types of data to do arithmetic operation. One is fixed point binary data. So that is this fixed point binary data in the signed magnitude representation. This is our day-to-day life what we are doing. +2 plus -3. The answer is -1. So +2 plus -3. So everybody day to day from childhood we are doing this. The answer is -1. This is signed magnitude representation data. And second is by using 2's complement. We already know that if the answer is in negative, then answer will be given as 2's complement form. If the answer is negative, I can check the result in 2's complement form. That is the second. Okay, like that we can use floating point binary data or even BCD data. Okay, for according to our syllabus, throughout this Unit 5, we will be discussing about only these two. First with signed magnitude, we'll do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division with the signed magnitude. Then we do arithmetic operation with the 2's complement representation. Okay. So first we will discuss about addition and subtraction. So first method what we are going to study is signed magnitude method. And so Let us say I'm going to add. I'm going to add. What are the different types of data I can add? A may be A and B are positive. So if A and B are positive, I'm going to add. Then there is no issue, just A and B, and the answer will be positive only. Everybody knows that. Okay. Then suppose I want to add A is positive, B is negative. Then according to the magnitude, the operation may vary. Suppose if A is greater than B, then I'm doing a subtraction operation and sign will be positive. Why? Because a larger number is positive. Okay. Same way, if A is smaller, then I'll be doing same subtraction, but the result will be negative. Okay. If A and B are equal, then we have to see that the sign should be positive. If both are equal, negative 0 is not considered. That's why we should compulsory make it as positive 0. Okay. So I'm doing addition operation with different magnitude and sign. Okay. Same way here, addition with A negative and B positive. Here also, depending upon A value, this operation varies. If A is greater, I am doing subtraction, final sign will be subtraction. And if B is greater, I am doing subtraction, but the final sign will be positive. Both are equal, we have to see that the result is positive. Okay. Same way, subtraction. I want to do subtraction. Okay. If both sign are same, then we will be doing addition. That means plus A minus of plus B is nothing but, sorry, if both signs are different, then we'll be doing addition. So plus A minus of minus B, then minus to minus will become plus. So that means I'm doing A plus B. Okay. Same way here, both signs are different. Here negative and here positive. Then here also answer will be minus minus, it is common, then center will have plus. Okay, minus of A plus B. If signs are different in subtraction, then we will be doing the addition. Okay. If sign are same, A plus A minus of plus B, then depending upon the magnitude, if A is greater, I'll be doing A minus B, sign will be positive. If A is smaller, result is negative, and I'm doing subtraction. If both are same, we have to see that final result is positive. Okay. So this is just a formula manipulation with real-time data. I will show in the flow chart. Okay. So this is a simple hardware implementation of addition and subtraction algorithm. This mode M says that whether I'm going to do addition or subtraction. Let it be 0 means addition, 1 means subtraction. Okay. So we already seen that addition means here I will take the A value in the A register and the sign of that in AS. A is the sign of A. Okay. Same way, B value will be taken in B register and the sign of B will be taken in the BS. This is actually not visible to you. This is actually B. Yes. Yes sign. Same way here AS. Okay. And A value here, B value here, and after so suppose if it is mode is 0, that means I'm going to add. So directly I'll in the parallel ladder I'll adding A and B, and if any carry is there, that carry will be here, and finally all manipulation over after some delay, the carry will be here. Overall flag. Okay, AVF is the overall flag. After doing the addition, at the instant when addition is performed, carry will be here. After addition is over, carry will be moved. Okay, suppose I want to do subtraction, then this mode will be 1 and here initial carry will be 1. Then we already know that how subtraction is done. Example, EA is the result. E is nothing but the extra bit, carry bit. After addition, if extra digits are, that is okay. There's nothing but a. I'm going to do subtraction a plus b complement plus 1. So a plus b complement plus 1 is nothing but the subtraction. That is nothing but a minus b. Okay. So this hardware is used to do addition and subtraction. So a value will be, I want to perform a plus b. Example, assume that I am going to do minus a, some minus b. Then sign of a will be here and the sign of b will be here, and a magnitude will be in a register, b magnitude will be in b register. Then this, since I'm going to add, this mode will be in 0. So a and b will be added, and the result will be available in the a register, and if any carry is there, that will be available here for instant. After that is transferred here. Okay. Regarding sign, the final sign, a sign will be done exclusive OR gate with the b sign. So here we can see that if negative means a sign is 1, here b also negative, that means b sign also 1. So a complement of sorry, exclusive OR of both are same means the sign is 0. There is no sign change. Okay. So we'll see the flow chart of this addition and subtraction. Okay. So assume that I'm going to add some a and b. Okay, let a be some -8 and b also some let it be some -3. Okay. So what I'm going to perform is initially I'm going to perform addition.